Welcome back, Crammers, to Logic Gates in Minecraft. Let's get started. Just a quick reminder, logic gates are built on a binary system using zeros and ones. For the remainder of this video, every time there is a zero, I'll replace that with a redstone lamp which is off. Every time there is a one, I'll replace that with a redstone lamp which is on. Let's get started. First off, we have a regular gate. You can imagine this as a sort of wire. Anytime the input is off, the output is off. When the input is on, the output is on. Notice how the gate only has one input. Therefore, it can only have a maximum of two outputs. The NOT gate inverts any input it gets. So, if the input is off, the output is on. If the input is on, then the output is off. The OR gate requires at least one input to be on. So notice how when both are off, the output is off. But when I turn at least one on, the output is on. Notice how if I turn both on, the output is still on because it requires only one on input. It can even have two on inputs. The AND gate requires at least two on inputs. So if I turn one on, it still remains off. If I turn other one on, it still remains off. However, if I turn both on, the output is on. And now for the more complicated logic gates, the NAND gate requires at least one off input. So notice how if there is still one off, the output is on. Same here. But if I turn both on, the output is off. To more easily remember the NAND gate, you can imagine it as a regular AND gate followed by a NOT gate. NOR gate requires at least two off inputs. The moment I turn any of them on, the output will be off. Same if both are on. To more easily remember NOR gate, you can imagine it as a regular NOR gate followed by a NOT gate. XOR gate is short for exclusive OR, which means it needs at least one on input, but also a maximum of one on input. Notice how when both are off, the output is off. When one is on, the output is on. But the moment there are two on inputs, the output is off. And finally, for the most complicated of which, a regular gate. Thanks for watching.